Hey, let's face it, sugar, refined carbohydrates, and sweets, they are so addicting, and they are in just about everything. And for me, I know those warm, doughy muffins, crusts, pizzas, biscuits, pancakes, you name it, my friends. All of those things were what I was craving in my emotional eating and in my journey of overcoming my sugar addiction. And I know for me, now today, as a young mom, as a health educator and health coach, I have made it my journey to now offer the tools that I've found of freedom, and I'm here to offer those same tools to you. When we crave sugar and refined carbohydrates, often our bodies are saying that we're craving something bigger than that. It could just be water. It might be whole food nutrition, but it may also be you're lonely and your soul is craving for a partner or a friend or somebody who understands you or who can listen to you. It could also just be a place in your body that's needing to release trauma, and your body is craving a place of comfort and a place of being known instead of just a sugar craving. Those are the things that we're going to go after, we're going to talk about, and we're going to discover. Many people don't know the negative health effects of sugar. Sugar not only causes, yes, diabetes, the one that we all know, but sugar also causes hormone imbalance, mental fog, it causes mineral imbalances in our body, it affects our sleep, it affects our mental clarity, it affects everything, our hair, our skin, our nails, our gut health. And also what people don't know is how to get free from sugar and how to get off of the train of sugar. And for so many people, sugar has become the normal part of your everyday, all-day diet, and that includes children. And for most people, now being sugar addicted, the thought of even getting off of sugar or not consuming sugar is overwhelming. If that's you, I'm here to help. I've been on a mission for the past 15 years. First, to get in touch with myself again, to find wholeness and health for myself first. And now I've begun a journey over the past 5 to extend those same things to others, to help coach others in their freedom with health, to coach others in their freedom with sugar, to help empower other women in their journey of embodying their true selves and finding the root causes of their cravings. All of these things now I've been educating not only myself but others in, and I'm here to take you on the same journey as you journey free from your sugar addiction.